Launcher. Search your device, apps, settings, and web. Use the arrow keys to navigate your apps.
I told you this is a...
Edit text. Launcher partial view.
Oh my god. Please. Please. My voice will get worse.
Google. Type a message. Start a voice query.
Set the timer for 15 seconds.
Okay, 15 seconds. And we're starting now.
Expand to all apps. Launcher. Gmail. Launcher. Search your device app.
Okay. Okay. For one thing, you would have to perhaps you would like to explain why. Perhaps you would like to explain why every time I set a timer on my Google Assistant, the Google Home timer sound plays.
Gmail.
Oh my god.
Launcher.
This will go on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Okay, Google. Stop. Wait, I don't have the Google Assistant app opened. Shucks. Oh my god, please, no, please, no. That's it.